Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So this video is going to be a little bit different from my channel. It is going to cater to plus size. I am plus size and I do a lot of plus size try on hauls, but this one is going to be catered to plus size women because I feel like it has been like the hardest thing for me to find a video that is talking about the Gucci belt in a plus size. Okay, so around the time when I first started doing my research, there was literally only one video. And it didn't really give me the information that I needed, and the person didn't show the belt on her. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox my Gucci belt as well as give you more information on just my process, the sizing, and things you could do to make it fit you. Okay, so I did order it in the largest size, which is a 120 in the men's size. Okay, I did go to the men's because I feel like men's, their clothes tend to be a little bit bigger, and I felt like the belt would be bigger than a woman's belt. Okay, so let's unbox it and then I will get into all the specs.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh.
So if you are going to get the biggest size, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because those sizes are usually not in the store. Like the size that I got is not carried in the store, so I had to order it. I did go to the store, but I felt a little bit self-conscious and a little bit embarrassed that I had to go to the store and ask for the biggest size. I'm probably at my biggest weight, so to have to go to the store and just, like, you know, ask what is your biggest size in the men's belt, I just felt a little self-conscious about it. But yeah, I really wanted the belt. This was not like an easy decision. This is something that I was thinking about for like at least a year. I definitely just wanted to get the belt for my natural waist instead of, like, you know, up here. So I ordered it from the Gucci site, and this is the box it came in, and this is literally an unboxing. All I did was cut right here, and we're gonna open it up. Like, this is my first Gucci purchase. Okay, that's the box it comes in. I like that it's a little bit more on the discreet side. So the first thing in here is an envelope. Okay, and the envelope says Gucci right there, and it is sealed. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you this part. I'm just going to show you what it came up to. The belt was $450, and then the shipping was $25 because I paid for the 2-day shipping, I think. But it did take longer than that. I think I got it in about 5 days because I ordered on either a Thursday or a Friday. Okay, and then the tax was $42.16, so my total was $500.17. I mean $517.16. I would definitely recommend that if you get it, you know, you don't do the quick shipping, because honestly I really don't feel like it was worth it. So I did opt to get mine gift wrapped, okay, just so I could have that experience as if I was going to the store. And I also wrote a letter to myself that I'm going to keep in my possession. It says Gucci at the top, and then it says, this is your first Gucci purchase, cherish it, Vanity. All right, and then it says Gucci.com at the bottom, and this is just something I just want, like a keepsake, so I can remember this was my first Gucci purchase. So I'm just going to untie this. The little handles say, this little tie says Gucci across it. I'm definitely gonna keep this, and I'm gonna try to keep this box as well and hopefully store my belt in here. Okay, and then it says Gucci right here on the sticker as well. And when you open it up, it is in a Gucci satin bag. Or silk. Yeah, I think this might be silk. Okay, and then the belt is wrapped inside of it is looking huge. Y'all, the belt is looking so huge inside of this. Oh, I think I got the wrong size. This is a small G. I'm not sure. I think I ordered the wrong belt, y'all. This is the small G. Either I ordered the wrong belt or they sent me the wrong belt, because I paid $450 for my belt, and this is the smaller version. I'm not sure where everything went wrong, but I might have to return this belt. But I'm still gonna do the video really quick on it, and if I do happen to return it, then I will come back and show you. But I really thought my G's would be bigger than this. Okay, so as I'm looking on the site, the serial numbers are the same, so I guess I ordered the wrong belt, and it's actually not their fault. But on the site, this is what the belt looks like. It looks a little bit more thicker when you look at it on the site than it does in person, in my opinion. I just expected it to be a little bit thicker than this. This is not for like everyday pants, in my opinion, because this is so thin. But I'm going to try it on because I do not know if this is my size or not. I just wanted to try the biggest size and see, and I felt like if if it was big enough for my waist, or if it was a good size for my waist, if I do want to go in and wear it as a high waist as well, I ordered a hole puncher so that I could create my own holes without it being, you know, just messy. Okay, so the Gucci belt always comes with 5 holes only. But like I said, I ordered a hole puncher just in case I want to wear it high waist. I'm gonna punch a few more holes in it. If that's a video y'all would like to see, let me know. But I'm going to put it around my waist really quick. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on. And it's like, yeah, this is too much room, in my opinion. Too much room. Okay, and the 520 is perfect. It literally fits exactly where I wanted it to be. So that's what it looks like. The 520, I am literally on my first hole. And these are not high waist jeans. It comes literally to my navel. I don't have any jeans that don't come like right here. This is my lower waist, and my higher waist is like right here. Like, that's the skinny part. Well, not skinny, but smaller part. So I wanted it to sit right here. That way when I wear shirts like this, it could be like a little higher up in the front, and then like lower like that in the back, because I think that looks really cute. So I'm just absolutely loving like the way this looks. I just do not love the size. The size is very, very small and petite. Kind of makes me feel like it should look a little bit more, like I should be a little bit more dressy with this size. So I do think I'm going to try to find out if they have a bigger size in this exact one, because I think I definitely ordered the wrong belt. Really quick, I'm just gonna show you the difference in the sizing, because my fiance actually has a Gucci belt. It is not the Gucci belt I want, but this is what I thought the sizing would be. Okay, so this is my Gucci belt, and this is his Gucci belt. Do you see how skinny mine is compared to the thickness of his, and how small this is compared to how big his is? Now I know these are 2 different belts, but this is the sizing that I was going for, especially because I'm wearing it on my lower waist and not my higher waist. I feel like something like this size would be a little bit more durable, able to handle a little bit more wear and tear than something this skinny. So this definitely has to go back, because I'm not feeling this. Okay, so after doing a little bit more research, I think I ordered the wrong belt, like I said. Even though this one is called the same thing on the site, it's called leather belt with double G buckle. That's what this one is called. I actually got the one without the like pebbled textured leather. I got the plain one, so I think that's why the size is different, but they are literally the same amount of money. So what I am going to do is I am going to send this back, and I'm so upset because I paid the $25 for the shipping, and it took longer than the 2 days. It actually took 5 days, and then on top of that, like, I have to send it back and wait for it to be shipped back to me, and who knows how long that's going to be. So I'm just going to call this a fail unboxing. And I'm going to redo this video once I get the new belt. Okay, I'm very annoyed with their policy. I cannot stand when a company does not have an exchange policy where you're able to send the item back and get the one that you actually want. Like, why do I have to return it and then place a new order? I see a lot of companies starting to do that, and it is like the most annoying thing ever. So I just wanted to include that in the video because that is very important to me, and I figured it would be important to you, just in case you're thinking about ordering it. Just make sure you order the correct thing, and maybe this video will be helpful. So I'm definitely going to upload it because I'm hoping that this can help somebody else. You don't order the wrong belt like I did and have to go through this process. So I was so excited, and it just brought my whole entire spirits down. I'm very annoyed, but I'm going to go through the process because I don't feel like this belt is worth being the same price as a bigger belt, and that's just my personal opinion. I wanted the bigger belt, so I'm going to get the bigger belt, and whenever I want to wear that on my waist, boo, it's going to be on my waist, but most of the time it's going to be on my hip. Okay, if y'all have any questions for me, definitely let me know, and I will try to include your answers in more detail in the next video. So that is it for this video. I know it was a little bit long, but if you've gotten this far, honestly, you liked something about the video. I'm hoping you found it helpful. I think a video like this would have definitely been helpful for me. Like, I want you to learn from my mistakes. So please thumb this video up, comment, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.